Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to calculate mean if somehow we have taken wrong observation. Wrong observation we can take either one or two or more. So how it can be corrected and uh, correct mean is calculated, that we are going to learn. So let us see one example. Mean of 40 numbers was found to be 38. Later on, it was detected that a number 56 was misread as 36. Find correct mean. So, mean of 40 observations is 38. The formula for mean is equals to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So, this sum of all observations can be calculated as mean into number of observations. So, sum of all observations is equals to 38 into 40, that is 1520. Now this was the sum. In that one observation, that is 36, 56 was misread as 36. So we have to, this was the wrongly we have added in that. So that we will subtract. So wrong observation is subtracted and the correct observation is added. So after that we will get the correct sum of all observation. Then corrected mean is equals to again sum of all observation divided by number of observation. So this is 38.5. Now another interesting question. Mean of 25 observations is 36. Out of these observations, if the mean of first 13 observation is 32 and that of the last 13 observation is 40, find the 13th observation. So now here mean of number of observations are 25, but while taking the mean in two different, means first half and the second half, so it one observation is getting repeated because 13 plus 13, it is now total observation, you will be you can see it is 26, but it is given that mean of 25 observation, so that means number of observation is 25, but when we are taking the mean of first 13 and the last 13 observation, the mean we are considering 26 observations. So that observation which is getting added two times, that we need to find out. So let us start. Now mean of 25 observation is 36. Now we have to calculate sum of 25 observation, that is 25 into 36, so that is 900. Then mean of 13 first 13 observation is 32. So sum of first 13 observation is again 13 into 32. Then mean of last 13 observation is 40. So sum of last 13 observation will be 40 into 13, that is 520. Now 416 and 520, these are the sum of observations of 26 observations. So that we will add up and we will subtract the sum of 25 observations. So we will get that observation which is getting added up two times. So add it and then subtract. So subtract 900. So that is 30. Your 13th observation is 36. Now we will learn how to calculate mean of group data. Let n observations consist of values x1, x2, xn of a variable x occurring with the frequencies f1, f2, f3 up to fn. Then mean will be f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus f3 x3 plus fn xn divided by sum of all frequencies. This can be represented as summation fi xi, I is equals to 1 to n by summation of I is equals to 1 to n fi, that means sum of all frequency. By using this formula, we are going to calculate mean of group data. Let us consider one example. Now here data is given, variate and the frequencies, xi and corresponding frequencies. So this you have to arrange in vertical column like this, xi here, fi here, and in the third column you have to find the product of these two. So 10 into 8, 80, 20 into 16, 320, 30 into 12, 360, and 40 into 14, 560. So this is, we have found the product of this. Now add all this and this column also you have to add. So this is the summation of fi into xi, and this is the summation of all the frequencies. And here is the formula of the mean, that is summation fi xi by summation of fi. So 1320 divided by 50. So that the mean is 26.4. So this is how we have to calculate mean. Now we will learn how to find missing frequency. So data is given here, and here you can see one frequency is missing, which I have written here. To denote that missing frequency, I have written P here. We have to find the value of P if mean of this distribution is 20.2. Again we will follow the same procedure, that is you have to make the column of xi, that is here, then frequency fi and product of fi into xi. So 10 into 6 60, 15 into 8 120, 20 into p 20p, 25 into 10 250, 30 into 6 180. You have to add all. After adding this you will get 610 plus 20p. This is variable, so plus 20p. Here also 30 plus p, and the formula to calculate mean is summation fi xi divided by summation fi. Now put the values here, all the values, that is mean 20.2, and here that we have calculated already, and for summation of frequency 30 plus p. Now this you have to solve. As you can see, this is equation in one variable. Solve it and you will get the value of p as 20. Now in the next question, two frequencies are missing. Here is the data, here f1 and f2, two frequencies we have to find, and it is given that mean of this distribution is 1.46 and sum of all frequencies is 200. We will follow the same procedure again, xi, fi and fi into xi, that we have to calculate. So 0 into 46, 0, 1 into f1, f1, 2 into f2, 2f2, 3 into 25, 75, 4 into 10, 40, 5 into 5, 25. Again add all this. After adding all this we will get 86 plus f1 plus f2, and after adding this we will get 140 plus f1 plus 2f2. Now we know that sum of all the frequencies is 200. So we will equate this with 200. So f1 plus f2 is equals to 200 minus 86. This 86 will come to that side. Then you will get the equation as f1 plus f2 is equals to 114, and f1 is equals to 114 minus f2. So I have written here equation number 1. Now for the second equation we have to use this formula, that is mean is equals to summation fi xi by summation fi. We have calculated already this value, that is 140 plus f2 plus 2f2 by, and sum of frequencies is 200, and mean is 1.46. It is given in the question. So with this we will get the equation f1 plus 2f2 is equals to 152. This is equation number second. First equation, from the now we will solve first and second together. Value of f1 I have taken from equation number 1, that is 114 minus f2 plus 2f2 is equals to 152. After solving this you will get the value of f2 as 38, and put this 38 in equation number 1 to get the value of f1. So that is 76. So here are the missing frequencies. Median. Median of a distribution is the value of the variable which divides the distribution into two equal parts. That is, it is the value of the variable such that the number of observations above it is equal to the number of observations below it. Here we are going to see how to calculate median of an ungrouped data. Suppose x1, x2, x3 up to xn. These are the observations. If number of observations are odd, suppose like 5, 7, 11, like that. If number of observations are odd, then median is the value of n plus 1 by 2th observation. One more important point. Before calculating median, you have to arrange the data either in ascending order or descending order. Okay, data is given. First you have to arrange the data in either in ascending order and or in descending order. After that you have to check whether the number of observations are odd or even. If number of observations are odd, then the median will be the value of n plus 1 by 2th observation. And if n is even, then median is the value of n by 2th observation plus value of n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Let us consider one example. Now, example number 1. Here are the set of observations. So, first step is you have to arrange this in either ascending or descending order. So, here I have arranged from small to big. Now, count the number of observations, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, which is an odd number. So, median will be n plus 1 by 2th observation, that is 7 plus 1 by 2, that is 4th observation. So, 4th observation 1, 2, 3, 4 is 10. So, 10 will be the median. In the next question, number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of observations are 8, which is an even number. So, first of all, we will arrange this data in ascending order as we did. So now, after that, you have to calculate n by 2th observation is how much. So, 8 by 2 is, that means 4. That means 4th observation. And again, n by 2 plus 1, that means 4 plus 1, that is 5th observation. So, you have to take the arithmetic mean of 4th and 5th observation, which is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is 5. 4th observation 5, 5th observation 6 plus 7 by 2. So, median of this data will be 6.5. Next is mod. Mod is the value which occurs most frequently in a set of observations and around which the other items of the set cluster densely. So, for example, here I have written some observations. Here you can see 2 is repeating 3 times. So, the mod of this distribution you can calculate by directly by inspection. You can see it is repeated 3 times, so mod will be 2. Now, suppose some other for other distribution, two observations gets repeated. So, for example, here you can see 3 is repeated, so 10 is repeated 3 times and 30 is repeated 3 times. So that means this distribution will be called bimodal and it will have 2 modes, that is 10 and 30. Now next is empirical formula to calculate mean, median and mod. So the formula is mod is equals to 3 times median minus 2 times of mean. So by this formula you can calculate either of the 3. This may be asked for 1 mark question, maybe for an ungrouped data. If mod or median is given, then also you can calculate mean, or either of the 3 you can calculate by using this formula. So solve all the questions of NCERT and RS Agrawal, and if you have any doubt regarding this chapter, you can clear that in online classes. Thank you.